Have you ever felt like you're missing out on the financial game? That the stock market is only for the wealthy and experienced? Well, I'm here to tell you that's not the case. Robinhood Bank is here to make investing and banking more accessible to everyone. Robinhood is a financial services company that's been making waves in the investing world for a few years now. They're known for their commission-free trading platform, which has made it easier for people to get started investing. But Robinhood is more than just a brokerage firm. In 2021, they launched Robinhood Bank, a full-service bank that's designed to make banking more affordable and accessible. So, what services does Robinhood Bank offer? Checking and savings accounts. Robinhood Bank offers checking and savings accounts with no monthly fees or minimum balance requirements. You can also earn interest on your savings account, which is a great way to grow your money. Cash Management Account. The Robinhood Cash Management Account is a high-yield savings account that pays a competitive interest rate. You can also use your cash management account to invest in stocks and ETFs. Debit Card. The Robinhood Debit Card is a Visa debit card that you can use to make purchases and withdraw cash. You can also use it to transfer money between your Robinhood accounts. Investing. Robinhood Bank offers access to the same investing platform as Robinhood Securities. This means you can trade stocks, ETFs, and options commission-free. Cryptocurrency. Robinhood Bank also offers access to cryptocurrency trading. You can buy and sell Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other cryptocurrencies directly through your Robinhood account. In addition to these core services, Robinhood Bank also offers a number of other features, such as free stock trades. When you open a new Robinhood Bank account, you'll get one free stock trade. Early access to direct deposits. Your direct deposits will be available up to 2 days early. No overdraft fees. Robinhood Bank doesn't charge any overdraft fees. Fraud protection. Robinhood Bank has a number of fraud protection measures in place to protect your money. Overall, Robinhood Bank is a great option for people who are looking for an affordable and accessible banking experience. They offer a variety of services, including checking and savings accounts, investment accounts, and cryptocurrency trading. If you're looking for a bank that can help you reach your financial goals, Robinhood Bank is a great choice. If you're interested in learning more about Robinhood Bank, I encourage you to visit their website or check out their app. You can also follow them on social media for the latest updates. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has given you a good overview of the services that Robinhood Bank offers. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below.